Okay, after you clicking the link on the description below, so you will be coming into this page, and you can select this 4AIA file, which is the Illustrator actions, and you download it to your PC, and once it's downloaded, it becomes a zip file, and then you unzip it. Okay, and you unzip it, and then go to your Adobe Illustrator. On the Windows, at the upper side, you click the action, then it will comes up the actions file, and you click the options on the top right as a hamburger sign, and then you click the load action, and then find the actions file that you've been downloaded. Okay, and then you just click open. It will save to your actions right here. So repeat it for the other file. Okay, so now the name given here has the shortcut key listed on here. So now you can try to make a shape, and then press the shortcut key over here. For example, like red strokes. By pressing the F2, it will become the red color strokes. And then it will press F3, it will become the blue color stroke. F4, it will become the black color fill. And then that's how we can speed up the process to speed up the laser design using the Adobe Illustrator for the K40 Whisperer.